Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Microsoft Copilot application on your device. For that, first of all, make sure that you have latest version of Microsoft Copilot application available on your device. Once you check that, simply hit on Microsoft application to open it. When you open the application, you will see this option. You have to simply click on the option that you used previously while signing up to your account. There are three options, that is continue with Microsoft, continue with Apple and continue with Google. Previously I used continue with Google while signing up to the Microsoft application, so I am using continue with Google right now. From here I have to choose an account or email address and hit on continue. And that was it. In this easy way, you can easily log into your Microsoft Copilot application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.